It's Katjas' Corner. It's almost Valentine's Day. Come check out the playroom with me. L-O-V-E. Love. Let's write these Valentine's words. L-O-V-E. Love. H-A-P-P-Y. C-U-T-E. Love, happy, and cute. I love to practice drawing and writing on the board. I'm drawing a Valentine's house. And this is a heart with wings and a crown. Time to decorate the felt bear. Some of the stickers are missing. They're right here. Flamingo goes here. Dinosaur goes here. Roar. Love goes right here. Monster goes right here. Ah! Kitty! Can't be in here. Ah! Then the heart goes here. We're all done with the bear. Welcome to my reading corner. Which book do you want? Let's read this book. A, B, C, D, H, I, J, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Won't you come and read with me? Time to place these photo props. Do you like my glasses and my bow tie? Happy Heart Day. Come look at my vanity. These are all my things. I gotta brush my hair. Look on the back of it. Look at all these cute clothes, the purses and the hats. I think I should change outfit. This is one of my favorites because of the sparkly skirt. I think my friend will love it. This red outfit is so cute with the matching jeans. This outfit has a fun scarf and pants. I decided to mix and match to make another outfit. What do you think? Bye! Happy Valentine's Day! Thanks for stopping by Katjas' Corner. Be sure to like and subscribe.